Here we have another Winchester lever action, this time a 2520 saddle ring carbine with full magazine. Doesn't have the saddle ring on it. This is much later firearm. The 2520 was a rifle only caliber. The 3220, 3840 and 4440 had corresponding revolvers in their calibers. This firearm's been rebarreled, so the barrel's a bit longer than it would be, and it was re-blued, so the bluing doesn't look like it would have originally. But excellent little firearm, 86 grain round, and this is my Winchester 2520 saddle ring carbine with full magazine.